Hi there! My name is Teacher Lerma. Our subject for today is reading. But before we begin, these are the gentle reminders. Today, we will be learning about CVC words, short A, E, I, O, U sound. If we say CVC, C is for consonant, V is for vowel, C is for consonant. These are the vowels. And these are the consonants. These are the examples of CVC words, short A sound. Man. Map. Pen. And these are the examples of CVC words, short E sound. Leg. Peg. Wet. These are the examples of CVC words, short I sound. Leg. Peg. Wet. Mix. Sip. Six. These are the examples of CVC words, short O sound. Cot. Job. Top. And these are the examples of CVC words, short U sound. Fun. Rug. Tag. These are the summary of today's class. For short A sound, these are the examples: man, map, pen. And these are the examples of short E sound: leg, peg, wet. And these are the examples of short I sound: mix, sip, six. These are the examples of short O sound: cut, job, top. And these are the examples of short U sound: fan, ragtag. Thank you everyone. Bye!